Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Zena.
And we're here at
Union Station, St. Louis.
That's right, folks. We're here at the Union Station in St. Louis. Now, we're here for the next couple of days, and we're planning on spending our entire time right here on site because there's so much to do. So in this video, what we're going to do is show you guys where we're staying. There's actually a hotel on site, so it's pretty amazing that they got all of this in one spot. And let's show you guys some of the things to do here, dining, and so much more. So let's go ahead and get started and show you guys Union Station in St. Louis. Welcome to room 3242, the King Deluxe Junior Suite. As soon as you enter, you have a little foyer area. To the corner is your closet with an ironing board, iron, and plenty of hangers. Moving along, you have a rather large bathroom, fully equipped with all of your essential needs. Heading back out, you enter your seating area with a pull-out sofa bed. And off to the corner, you have various artwork all related to the Union Station and also an empty cupboard right below. As you enter the bedroom, you have a large work desk with a 37-inch TV on top, mini fridge on the bottom, and complimentary water bottles for all you Hilton Honor members, and of course your coffee maker. Can't forget your king bed and end tables on both sides with all of your outlets readily available. We also had the privilege of staying in the clock tower room, room 362, the One King Studio. In my opinion, a lot nicer than the previous room shown and well worth the upgrade. Bathroom off to the corner with all amenities as well. Moving along, you have your coffee maker, a safe, mini fridge, a closet with an iron, steamer, and ironing board. A nice little touch, a small mini staircase going down to your king room. 55-inch TV, a work desk, and luxurious vibes all throughout. High ceilings, a little seating area, and of course, your king bed. And there's more artwork related to the Union Station, which is very fun to see. And your electrical outlets at your bedside. This concludes the room tours. Let's see what else Union Station has to offer. On site, there is a lot to offer, with various restaurants and things to do. We'll start off with the dining options first. You have Landry's Seafood House. Now, we didn't get a chance to dine here, but heard great things. Nearby is the Taco Container, where it's Taco Tuesday every day. Next up, Soda Fountain, a candy store, ice cream shop, and restaurant all in one. They're known for their desserts and offer a wide range of options. Another restaurant we got to check out was Train Shed, a unique gathering filled with contemporary cuisine and creative cocktails. There's also Grand Hall Market and Lounge where you can get your coffee fix. And Station Grille. We did dine here for their breakfast buffet. All by yourself? Yeah? What do you want to eat? Apple juice? That's it? Would you like pancakes, waffles, eggs, anything? Just apple juice. Sounds fun. Two, okay. Aside from the dining, there is so much else to do here. Going back into the Grand Hall because it's absolutely beautiful. They have a Grand Hall light show every night. During our stay, the show ran every hour from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Experience the color and wonder of the stunning 3D light show around the 65-foot ceiling. There are a ton of attractions you can do at the Union Station. We highly recommend you purchase a combo pass to experience all the fun this place has to offer. We'll start off with the Carousel first. The kids loved it so much they kept going on it over and over. Near the Carousel is also a playground. This is completely free and open to anyone. Next up is the St. Louis Wheel, a 200-foot high observation wheel with 42 enclosed climate-controlled gondolas that seat up to 8 riders each. Outside, you'll also find mini golf, perfect for families or beginners. This 18-hole course has a great variety of different interactive elements. Head inside and you have more fun things to do, like the St. Louis Aquarium, Selfie Express, rope course, and mirror maid. Let's look at each one closer, starting with the St. Louis Aquarium. Let's hop on the train. Let's sit on this side.
St. Louis was introduced to the world in 1904 when it hosted both the Olympics and the World's Fair. 800,000 residents. The 60s brought us the Gateway Arch. A few weeks, and if I got this right, hold on to your seat. Here we go. Wow. Whoa. This contraption can fly. St. Louis looks pretty spectacular from up here. There she is. Go. Bet you didn't plan on that this morning. Breathtaking. What was that?
What's that noise?
What is that?
Uh-oh. Well, Louis, look.
Humpback whales? You don't see this every day. Full steam ahead! Here we are. Welcome to the St. Louis Aquarium at Union Station. Please take all of your belongings as you exit the train.
Thank you.
Have fun. No swimming.
We're here. Touch gently. You can put your hand in there?
Oh my.
If we need to weigh her or do a veterinary checkup. But our other snakes are very, very good at coming out here and being an ambassador animal for their species.
So they have different animals that come out here at different times of day and kind of let you see them up close. Pretty cool. So they got a little water table up here as well for the kids. Almost. I've never seen an exhibit where you could touch jellyfish. They should feel cool. They also got a small dedicated area here for kids. This was pretty neat. You can color in your sea animal and bring it to life on the screen.
What is it?
There it is.
Oh, cool.
That's Daddy. It's behind you.
And yes, this aquarium does have sharks. Look at the shark.
Hello, folks. Welcome. If you do have any questions,
In general, but I do have a preference for chocolate, and really any kind of chocolate.
To experience it yourself.
So we just finished up the aquarium, hour and a half, almost 2 hours. So you can spend some time in there. It's actually a very interesting aquarium. Probably one of the best we've been to thus far, just because it's more interactive, hands-on. There's a lot we can do. So yeah, highly recommend you guys check it out, even if you guys are just visiting St. Louis. Next up, Selfie Express. Immersive, interactive train-themed walk-through attraction for the entire family. 10 different spaces in the illusionary world where you can have fun with selfie photos. And that's it. Fun? Where's Don? He's still taking pictures. How was it?
Good.
Yeah, you had fun? Upstairs, they have a 3-story ropes course, more than 90,000 cubic feet of climbing space, and 30 obstacles, including a zip line. Adjacent to that is also a mirror maze. Oh no, the door's closing on us. We can't escape. I think each one has some type of history or statistic or something behind it. All right, where we go next?
Here. What? What's this?
Wait, what? What is this?
I know what.
I've never seen a mirror maze that has a escape room basically inside.
Look behind you.
What in the world? What is that? Did that just open on me? Do you really want to do this? Okay, pull here. What in the world? Warren, you try that again. Do the bottom one. Oh man, it's loud. It's a bomb. TNT. Whoa, you scared me. One of these doors needs to let us out. Trying my weight loss. Come on, roll. Who's shooting? How do we get out? Gags and jokes. Alright, now we can go.
We iced it.
Is that it?
Look.
Oh, that's creepy.
What is it?
I don't know. Smoking. Wait, what is this? Keep going. How was that?
Good.
Yeah, it's different. I mean, most mirror mazes are just mirrors, but this one was a little bit more in depth, more fun. I liked it. Well, there you folks have Union Station in St. Louis. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask these guys down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.
Subscribe.